Welcome back, my beauty squad. If you're new, it's your girl Jessica, and we have another unboxing. We have another unboxing. Have another unboxing. And it's BOXYCHARM today. Yay. So I'm super excited because I got this like hella early. And I just want to go over what I got in my BOXYCHARM. Is it worth the money still? How I feel about BOXYCHARM. So if you would like to know my final thoughts on BOXYCHARM and what's in my box for April 2021, make sure you stay tuned. And if you're new to the crew, welcome to the Beauty Squad officially. Hit that subscribe button, turn that bell on. That way you get notified for any and every video upload, because I still have a lot more unboxings to do. I have a lot of trials to do. I have my PR sitting right here. I have a Sephora haul sitting right here. I have MC coming. I have Boxy Premium coming. I have Jeffree Star Supreme box coming. Like, yeah. I have so much in store for this channel. Like, it's amazing. And I want each and every one of y'all on for the roller coaster, because there are going to be giveaways throughout it. So make sure you stay tuned. That way you'll know every time that I've given something back to one of my loyal subscribers. That being said, I will see y'all over in the video.
Yeah. Bring you up. Yeah, come on.
I've got a BOXYCHARM right here. That's unheard of. I usually don't give out to the end of the month. So let's go ahead and see what we got in here. I did peek. I did tally everything up. So we're going to go over this and see if it's still worth the $25. In my opinion. My opinion doesn't matter for much, but at least you could get some rough guess of what I think. First thing first is the Manicadar Beauty Pluck It 2-pack tweezers. This first thing I pull it out. This is $18. Basically, you know, set of tweezers is about what it costs. I mean, you get two. You get a nice little fine tip and then a sharp tip. So you always use tweezers, even if you're not plucking something. You might have a splitter or whatever. Always good to have them laying around the house. Like, you can never have enough. And so that was $18. Then we have the Fabulous eyeliner, because you can never have enough eyeliners. And this is the Aurora eyeliner pen. It's $11.99. That's what the tip looks like. I don't know. I have quite a bit of these, so I might end up putting this one in a giveaway. So I'm not even going to swatch it. So that right there is already the box itself. Would I go out and purchase both of these? No, I'll probably purchase the tweezers, but not for $18. Next I have is Dragon Beauty Dragonfire Color Corrector in the shade green. I am really happy they sent me green, because I do have red spots. So if I was going to hide anything, I would need green for like acne or whatever. So this is really cool. I really like Dragon Beauty. This is what the doe looks like. And I never really got into color correcting yet, but I plan on doing a lot of epic looks. So I know, like, if you do your whole face and stuff, it's kind of good if you can color correct certain things. So it's always nice to have around. And I like Dragon Beauty's formula. I have pretty much everything that she's had out in the past year. I've got all 3 palettes, mascara, foundation, setting powder, setting spray, so face thing. This retails for $25, so that right there is the box. Okay, Touch It Soul. This is the Ice Sherbet Primer, silicone free and cooling effect. Ooh, 1.76 ounces. I like Touch It Soul's primer. My absolutely favorite one is the problem, whatever. So I think any Touch It Soul primers I would like, just because I love that one. Like, I have 2 bottles, put it back. So this is what it looks like. Very unique look. It's like a gel consistency. Let's see if it blurs. I just want to do half of my hair. So I don't know if you can see which side is which. I can. This you can see a little bit more than this side. But again, you know, my camera's not the best. I do plan on getting an actual camera for my channel. Well, Mario's planning on getting me a camera for my channel. It's going to be like my wedding gift. So I can promote my content. But this is cool. And I really have a smell. I like the texture of it because it looks like it would be silicone, but it's not. Cooling effect, I haven't really felt the cooling effect yet, but you know, it's not on my face, it's on my hand. This retails for $32. This I would buy. So this definitely already accounts for the box and then some. So everything else is just a plus. So that's kind of how I calculate my boxes, is if there's an item or multiple items that I would go out and purchase myself, and if they're 25 or more. So at least I know that I'm at least getting what I put in, you know what I mean? That's just how my weird brain works. So excuse me. Last but not least, this is the Natasha Denona Alaya eyeshadow palette, a special edition palette created exclusively for BOXYCHARM. Features 5 ultra pigment neutral cool tone shades in a range of muted browns and a touch of sparkle metal green tourmaline, inspired by the Japanese meaning of Haya, meaning colors and designs, combined with Naya, meaning elegant and graceful and delicate. It is a perfect everyday palette to create sophisticated classic looks as well as even looks with a super glam finish. Formulated with Natasha's signature blendable. It would help if I would show y'all this. Blendable, user-friendly formulas and higher quality pure color pigment, dazzling chrome crystals and illuminating pearls, suitable for every skin tone, curl-free and allergenic-free. This retails for $48 because these are the bigger shades. Oh no, it's just like, I wasn't going to keep this one, but this shade right here, just for that shade I have to. But these are the two. So you got 2 shimmers and 3 mattes. Oh yeah. Which I like cool tones. Look at that middle one. Yes. This is a beautiful everyday palette. And I mean, look at that pigment. I know Natasha has a really good formula. I don't have a lot of Natasha. I only have one big palette. And that was gifted to me. And then a baby palette, which I think I'm going to end up putting in a giveaway. Because I think it's like the ones out of the big palette that I have. Coincidental, right? But yeah, this retails for $48, but there will be a Natasha Denona small one giveaway coming up soon after I get up a couple more items to put with that. Stay tuned for that. So in total, I really like this. I really like this. I really like this. And, you know, these you can use, so it's very usable, you know. Anybody and everybody really needs tweezers. It doesn't really matter. Am I like, ooh, over the moon that is in my box? Not really. But it could have been worse stuff in there. Just saying. Like, just to be real with y'all. So, yay. So, you know, it wasn't a bad box. Yeah, we got another eyeliner, but I'm trying to do some off-the-chain creative looks anyways. I'm going to be going through some liners for that. Especially with practicing it. We'll just get So I think we have a winner for this month. This box retails, like I said, for $25 each month. The total retail value of this box is $134.99. Yes, please. This is over $109 value of other than $25. So $109 free products. We got a winner chicken dinner, in my opinion. Now, I'm really excited to see what's in the premium. I didn't really get to choose this month with this. I think I chose the primer. I'm not sure. I can't remember. I cannot for the life of me. I want to say I chose the primer. I don't know. Like I said, I honestly can't remember. But, with that being said, my premium is on the way. We shall see which one I think is best this month. And let me know down below if you still get BOXYCHARM. Do you think they've been slipping here lately? Because, I mean, they ain't been on their best. They have not been on their best game. But, granted, they have just converted with Ipsy and, you know, doing all those changes and trying to get everything organized. I get it. It's a business part. But I don't know. It's just, some of these boxes be making me be like, what? Like, who told you they wanted that in their box? Like, seriously. Who went on that survey and said, please send me that crappy crap? I must have it each month. Because I didn't. And I make sure I do the surveys to try to help us out in the future. Let me know down below. Do you still get Boxy? Are you converting over to the Ipsy side? Because Ipsy has been knocking it out of the park. Now, mind you, I did sign back up this month for Ipsy. Watched them come out with some whack shit. I didn't get a chance to get the XL box. Boo. But maybe next time. I knew my life. Fingers crossed we get some goodies. Main reason I even signed up was because they have been blowing out of the park. I've been wanting to bring back Ipsy and take off one of my Boxies because I get the premium and the base. But at the same time, I'm like, you know, once I get rid of Boxy, then that's when they're going to be good and I'm going to be mad. So I'm torn. I'm so torn. But I can always go and pause Ipsy. Ipsy ain't as bad as Boxy. Like, you don't just unsubscribe, you pause. And you just have to remind yourself to go in and repause before the first, of course. So that might be what I'll be doing in the next little bit, just to kind of see where everything's at. I do want to gather up some more goodies for my giveaways because I plan on at least doing one giveaway each month. Hopefully cohesive with another creator, if not by myself. And also maybe with a creator and by myself on another one. So there could be a good chance that there'll be 2 giveaways running at the same time. I'm not going to overdo myself. I'm not going to get overwhelmed. Because then that's when, you know, it starts like weighing you down. But I just want to give back. And I'm just so appreciative that I've come as far as I have. Thank y'all all that's been watching my videos. My views have shot up. My numbers have shot up. And I'm just beyond grateful for each and every one of y'all. Thank y'all all that are new to the beauty community. I honestly appreciate each and every one of y'all like y'all don't even know. For you to click that subscribe button means the world to me. And for me to sit here and watch my numbers, you know, gradually climb. Like, it ain't like boom. But, you know, little by little, that one, like, thank y'all. So, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and jump off here so I can get this video up. Because I know y'all are anticipating it. I'm going to drool everywhere before I go, right? But I know y'all are anticipating this just as well as I'm anticipating putting it up. Let me know your thoughts and let me know what you hope to get in your box. If you got your box already, what did you get in your box? Let me know the tea down below. And